People are spending 10,000 to 20,000 just to learn how to apply for a Norway work visa. But I'm giving you the same even better, step-by-step roadmap for just $299. I've created a complete Norway Work Visa Masterclass, specially for Indian job seekers and students. 10 detailed video lessons, real job websites and CV formats, full visa process, salary and expenses info, interview tips, common mistakes, lifetime access, no extra charge, and you're not alone. You can message me personally anytime if you have doubts. I'll reply and guide you myself. No agents, no third party. So if you're serious about moving to Norway, just DM me course on Instagram. I'll send you the private YouTube playlist link, lifetime access, only $299. My Instagram ID is in the bio and description, and just scroll down and message me. Don't waste your money on 10,000 courses. Learn everything you need clearly, affordably, and with personal support. Let's make your Norway dream a reality together.